In this video, I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Chrome browser on your phone. You can also use other browsers if you want. Then, go to web.telegram.org. You will then be taken to your Telegram chats page. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings. Now scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Over here, scroll down to the Sensitive Content section and check the Show 18+ content box. This will unhide media that contains content suitable only for adults. And that's it. Following these steps, you can now easily enable sensitive content on Telegram.